Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on permanently deleting books from your account on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, find the book that you would like to delete and tap the three dots in the bottom right of the book cover. Then choose Permanently Delete from the options. Note that this will delete the book from all of your devices connected with your account. Tap Yes, Delete. That book will now be permanently deleted from your library. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.